Okay. See, I feed it in a cup because this thing has mildew on it, and that's bad for the birds to eat. So I nailed this there so it won't fall. Well, my mom nailed it there, see? So it's cute. It's like a cute little thing for them to eat in. And I gotta fill it, see, because they eat all the time in the mornings. Yeah, it's pretty cute. And I fill it like that. And then all the birds come from the tree. They're up there. Normally. They like call each other. It's so cute, and they're over there too. And they come eat their food. And then they come when I'm not looking. Sometimes when I'm looking. They're so pretty.